Hello and welcome back. I hope you have been practicing what we have learned so far. We are learning VLOOKUP function to fetch data from within or outside the file, and in this particular module we are going to learn how to get data from another Excel file. And for this purpose we are going to use the first quotation template we made, which is this, and our single sheet price list. So what we are going to do is we are going to fetch the unit price and the product description based on the product ID. Instead of product type, we will change this to product ID and fetch these two information from the price list. Let me delete this information first. We'll change this to product ID and let's write our formula. So we will click on FX, select VLOOKUP, click OK. Lookup value is this. Table array is going to be our price list. So in this particular case, we have to select another sheet. So you can do that by going in the taskbar, hovering over the Excel tab and selecting the price list. And then we are going to select this range. And in this range, the column index number for description is 4th. So this is the first column, second, third, fourth. And you should remember the product ID column should always be the first column in the table array you select. And the column index number for description is 4. Our range lookup category is false, so that it selects the exact product. Okay, and as we did earlier, because there is no information to look for, it is going to give you an error saying not available. We are going to change or edit our formula to eliminate that error by if open bracket this cell is equal to empty, comma. So if this cell is empty, then you put empty in product description cell, otherwise perform VLOOKUP function, and we are going to close this function with the closing bracket and hit enter. So now the error has gone. We are going to copy this formula by dragging from the bottom right handle in the entire quotation template. So now you have copied the formula for VLOOKUP in the product description zone of your quotation template.